Okay, hello YouTube. Welcome to Trade Journal episode 9. As you can see today, I am up $83.72, which is 3.14%. I'm sitting at 2,753 with 25 cents. I'm currently not holding any positions. These positions that you see on the top right are just under my watch list. But we will go over the trade that I made today. It's just one trade. So I bought a 582 put, which was in the money at the time of the trade at 9:28 a.m. So if we go over to 9:28 a.m., this is the candle that I purchased the puts on. Now the reason why I entered this trade was because I believe I was looking at the 5-minute chart. I don't remember exactly because I did actually take this trade from my phone today. I was not looking at the charts from my computer. So I did see some lower highs. I did not call this out. It was Andrew from Bueller Buys trading group on Discord. He just kind of took a screenshot and showed lower highs, and I was seeing some lower lows as well. So yeah, once this new lower low came in, and I kept seeing these lower highs, I just saw a pretty good opportunity. I had set a take profit level at 580.50 for me, so I entered around here, around the we can just say the 581.51 level. And then my stop loss would have been up here. So yeah, that's like 3 to 4 times the reward to risk, which is majorly in my favor. Now I did not, as you can see, price did not come down to 580.5. Actually very close to the bottom. I would say maybe a little bit higher than the bottom, maybe around 580.8. So when I closed the two puts, so we can take a look, it was at 937. So if we go at 937 here, yeah, so somewhere, it's a really good trade actually. I captured most of the move. So 928 entered the two puts, and then the last red candle at 938. Oops, 937 actually. 937, pretty close to the bottom actually, somewhere around here. It wasn't all the way to the bottom here, but somewhere around here. I closed those two puts. Yeah, I could have held on a little bit longer, but that's okay. I'm happy with this trade. It's a very good trade. I captured most of the move down. And at one point I was up almost, actually I was up over $100. I ended up just taking profits at the 80. So, whoops, that was an accident. Um, so yeah, so that's the trade that I made. I'm gonna go ahead and draw my levels for tomorrow now. And I'm gonna clean the levels from for today's. So what I won't be needing anymore is I won't be needing yesterday's levels. You can keep them if you want. I don't. I try to keep the charts very clean. That way I'm not looking at uh, anything over uh, price action. Price action is key. I'm gonna mark the high, open to open, and then I have the close, and then I'm gonna mark 580.60 because it touches about 3 times. Yeah, so those are my levels for tomorrow. I mean, I can even do the midpoint if I want, which would be like 581.75. Yeah, yep. Those are good levels to look out for tomorrow. And then some emerging candles wouldn't be too bad as well. So let's go ahead and do that. We might even be able to do this one here. There we go. So if we zoom out a little bit, yeah, there you go. That's good. Wow, we can probably even go lower. We can do one more emerging candle. Let's see, zoom out. Yeah, yeah, we'll use those levels for it tomorrow. And something I want to let you guys know, I did officially change my account from a margin account to a cash account. Also, I'm talking quietly because I do have family in the room over, and we're just separated by a very thin wall, so I don't want to wake them up. So yeah, I'm going to be trading on options. I'm going to be trading on a cash account going forward. If you guys recall in the previous videos, I did say that I'm going to be focusing on just trading one or two positions, one or two contracts at a time, and then just closing those contracts. And I don't think I'm going to be leaving any runners until I'm trading with like 5 contracts, maybe for 3. Not likely, but if there's ever like a really big move up, the same would go for 2 contracts. But as you can see, like if you can tell by the pattern here, is the less contracts I have, the more likely it is that I will not be leaving any runners. The more contracts I have, the more likely it is that I'll be leaving runners. So we're going to continue with this. I can go ahead and just make some predictions for tomorrow. So let's go ahead and just do some levels of price. Yeah, so at 579.58 or below, I'm going to be looking for some puts. Actually, we are going to... I was going to mark this level, but it's really close to the 577.14. So no need to do... So we'll mark another level. We don't need to do the high of that either, because I think that's an emerging candle. Wow. Yeah, we're good. We're good. So we did have like an inside bar today, so definitely going to be looking at price moving above yesterday's high or below yesterday, or today I guess technically, today's low. And that will be determining my price direction for the day, because we do have an inside bar, and so it's kind of like price consolidation. Or like a price squeeze. And then tomorrow is Tuesday, so at market close, I'm going to buy some puts. Wow, actually, it's already moving. I was actually thinking about that too. I was thinking, is it possible that AMD can start moving today because earnings is tomorrow after market close, right? So I guess from 159.50 to 161, it's not too bad. But like if I see that price is like at 165, 164, maybe even 163 by open tomorrow, by open and then it holds, I may not open those long contracts, those straddle contracts, or I may do so because it's probably price movement, just some probably some manipulation, uh, more like psychology, more like it keeps traders out. Seeing that movement, they think to themselves, "Oh, I can't keep moving," but I think it may still keep moving. We'll see how I'm feeling tomorrow before market close, and that's it. I could draw some levels for AMD, but I don't really have to since my whole play is going to be revolving around earnings. But maybe about an hour before earnings, I will draw some levels and whatnot. Maybe even go on the 4-hour chart or the 1-hour chart to see what's going on with the price. But that's it for today. It's a short video. Um, yeah, short video. just kind of cover real quick what I've been doing and what we're going to be looking for going forward. Thanks for sticking around. Catch you guys in the next one.